the ear. They tied me up. They didn't take care of me in the operating. Saying you. I've been waiting for all of you to spend time. I was tied. They treated me like, parang prisoner, parang siraulo. They didn't put me in a private room. They maltreated me. Ano yun? Kukuhanan ka ng mga test-test? Ano yun? Drama nila. Tinurukan ako ng pampatulog. Tapos now, within 1 month, laging masakit yung katawan ko. And then my flu, hindi nawawala. Maybe. Dahil mababa ng immune system ko. I'm not seeing you. Natitrigger pa ako ng emotion. Siyempre, when I think may tinurok sa akin, I always think there's virus in it. There's April 13. But this time, sabi na nga ba na, I was thinking about the chains because, before coming to Manila, I bought chains. I went to a pallet with Mia. Pero hindi ko nadala. I don't know. It was a disguise for me to realize ano talagang kayang gawin ng for me to realize kung nasira na talagang ulo niya. What do you think now, ha? Nasira na talagang ulo niya. And when you say to me that your brothers and sisters are having a hard time there, I feel so bad for them, even if, I'm also frustrated. They won't listen to what I say to them. They won't listen to what I tell them to what to say. I tell them what to say, they don't listen. I am disappointed because they don't listen to what I tell them they should say, to him. Kaya ganyan, gawin na lang natin. Is lang. Otherwise, pag di mo ako pinakinggan mo, magbabayad nito. You don't want that. Just listen to mom. At least if I have the isip ko na yun. But you can, if you want, yung kalahati sa'yo, itago mo muna in case of emergency. Pero alam mo, marami na akong utang sa'yo. And then, kailangan natin mag-save talaga ng money. Sa mga kapatid mo, wala pa yun. Hindi ako feeling secured sa mga kapatid mo. Wala akong na-save. Wala siya eh. Hindi ko alam na gagawin niya to sa akin. 4 years, hindi ako tumanggap ng pera sa kanya. Even peso. When you left, 3 years na niya ako hindi binibigyan nun. 1 year, nagstay pa ako doon.